Hi, this is State Senator Michael Rodrigues, and welcome to the Rodrigues Report for the 2019-2020 legislative session, highlighting some of our accomplishments for this session for the South Coast. Ensuring access to educational opportunities. Now more than ever, education is essential to a thriving economy, a healthy community, and a strong democracy. During these last 2 years, as chair of the Senate Committee on Ways and Means, we have worked incredibly hard through good and bad times to preserve access to educational opportunities for all. We passed the Student Opportunity Act, the most significant public education funding law in over 25 years, to provide an unprecedented $1.5 billion in new investment over the next 7 years to our K-12 public education system. We were also able to appropriate an additional $22 million in Chapter 70 funding for our district. $674,000 in Head Start grant funding in FY 2019 and 2020 was secured to ensure that hardworking families in Greater Fall River have continued access to quality early educational services. $85,000 in funding was directed to the Children's Museum of Greater Fall River to support our community's diverse educational needs. We also provided $1.5 million in funding for the newly created Civics Project Trust Fund to effectively integrate high-quality civic education in Massachusetts schools. We honored the 30th anniversary of the Americans with Disabilities Act by passing landmark legislation to increase access to inclusive higher educational opportunities for people with disabilities. My bill, the Genocide Education Act, was passed to ensure we educate middle and high school students on the history of genocide, to address hate, and to broaden public awareness through genocide education in the Commonwealth. And for the first time, $1 million was appropriated in the budget for school health services and school-based health centers in both public and non-public schools, such as our Catholic schools. Together, we are providing school districts with significant resources and increasing access to educational opportunities across all of our South Coast communities. These are just some of the successes for this legislative session. Thank you for watching the Rodrigues Report, and please stay tuned for more episodes.